Tonight, advocacy groups and Democratic lawmakers are pushing back on the Youngkin administration's change in how felon voting rights are restored.
Forgiveness should not be on a case-by-case basis of one mind.
Virginia's governor now says felons have to apply and their cases will be reviewed.
News 3 reporter Brendan Ponton explains the next steps for opponents of the updated policy.
Chesapeake State Senator Lionel Sproul says he'll be meeting with Governor Youngkin on Wednesday to talk about this issue. And lawmakers say right now it is clear that the authority on restoring rights rests with the governor.
That voting is a sacred right, not a privilege, as the governor's office would have you believe.
Democratic lawmakers and advocacy groups blast the Youngkin administration's policy on restoring rights for felons at the state capitol Tuesday.
We need to keep on moving forward in progress.
The updated policy is a change from the previous two governors who essentially restored voting rights for felons automatically once their sentences were complete. The Youngkin administration is now requiring people to apply, and then their cases will be reviewed. Portsmouth State Delegate and House Democratic leader Don Scott actually had his voting rights restored by former Governor Bob McDonnell following a felony conviction in the 1990s.
I would not be where I am today if my own rights had not been restored. I have no shame in my game.
Youngkin has defended his administration's policy as following the state constitution and a court ruling on the issue.
The review process is a thorough individual process in order for people to have their full second chance, and that's why it's so important.
In Virginia, people lose their civil rights following a felony conviction, and under the state constitution, the only person who can restore them is the governor. It would take a constitutional amendment to change that. Democrats have pushed for automatic restoration, but it has not advanced in recent years.
Should the governor even have the power to restore my constitutional rights? We need to pass a constitutional amendment to fix that constitution so that the governor does not have this almighty power.
The Youngkin administration has said the change was made to ensure the restoration policy is following the Constitution. State Senator Lionel Sproul, who has been in talks with the administration, says he is meeting Wednesday with the governor to hear directly from him.
Now we got to appeal to his heart.
Lawmakers will be back here at the state capitol on Wednesday to consider Governor Youngkin's vetoes as well as amendments he's suggested to bills. And we'll, of course, stay on top of this topic and keep you updated. At the state capitol in Richmond, Brendan Ponton, News 3.